My name is Teacher Rachel. What's your name? I like to read fairy tales. This one's by Hans Christian Andersen, and it's a favorite of mine. The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, there was a mama duck, and she had 9 baby ducklings. 8 were pretty and fluffy and yellow. But the 9th duck didn't look cute at all. "You do not look like the rest," said the mother. "Ugly duckling," said the other ones. "Go away." The ugly duckling stayed away from his 8 brothers and sisters. Poor duckling. Once the mother duck took her ducklings to visit another duck family on the other side of the lake. They teased the ugly duckling. "You can't be a duck. You can't be a duck." "I am a duck. I am a duck," cried the ugly duckling. And then he ran away. The ugly duckling hid in some grass, and soon it was dark. The ugly duckling was scared and lonely, but he went to sleep. The next morning, the ugly duckling went to look for food. "What kind of bird are you?" said some wild ducks. "I'm a duck," said the ugly duckling. "You can't be a duck. You can't be a duck," they teased. The ugly duckling ran away from the wild ducks. He ran and ran until he came to another lake. "I'll stay here." The ugly duckling stayed there until it was winter. It was cold, very cold, and windy. One day the ugly duckling saw some swans flying south. "Come with us," they called. "I'm coming, I'm coming," cried the ugly duckling. "Wait for me! Wait for me!" But the ugly duckling flapped his wings, and he tried, but he couldn't fly very well, and the swans didn't wait. They flew away. The ugly duckling stayed by the lake, and he grew and grew and grew and grew. And in the spring, the ugly duckling flapped his wings, and they were big and strong. "I can fly! I can fly!" He flew to the river bank. "Come stay with us," said the swans. "Why me?" asked the ugly duckling. "You don't want me. I'm an ugly duck." "A duck?" they said. "No, no. You are a swan. A beautiful, beautiful swan, just like us." I like this story because even though you may not feel like a very good duck, you might actually be a swan. Bye bye.